What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you guessed it from the title, this video is going to be all about how I get my wigs to lay and slay, honey. Okay, how I get my wigs to look like scalp. Okay, she was born this way. What are you talking about? It's my hair.
But before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that notification bell.
So if you're interested in getting your wigs to look snatched without your edges getting snatched, keep watching, girl.
Let's get it. So first you're going to braid your hair all back like this, or simply put it in a little ponytail. Then you just put your stocking cap on top and tuck your hair under it. After you've done that, make sure your edges are nice and smooth. You can use edge control, but I prefer not to. The least amount of product I think is best. Now you're going to go ahead and pull your stocking cap all the way over your ears. Then with the scissors, you're going to cut a little hole at the bottom of your earlobe and then pull your ear through. That way you'll get a more flush fit with the stocking cap, so the edges will stay down nice and neat. Next, we're going to go in with the Got To Be Freeze spray and spray around the front hairline. Now the key to this is not making sure the spray is on your hair, but making sure it's on the skin right in front of your hairline. That's what makes it stick down. We're going to take a blow dryer and blast it so it can dry the hairspray, allowing it to adhere to our skin. Then we'll take a scissors and cut the extra pieces of stocking cap off. Try not to pull too hard on the stocking cap because it will come up, but go as close as possible to your natural hairline. Next, I like to take a little bit more of the Got To Be Freeze spray and put it on my fingers and run it along the edge of the stocking cap just to ensure that it's as flat as possible and there's no lifting in the perimeter. I'll go ahead and blast it one more time with some heat from my blow dryer to make sure everything is nice and dry and secure. Then I'll go ahead and tuck the extra pieces of cap in at the back. Now for the camouflage, I like to take some foundation that is basically my skin tone or a little bit darker, apply it to a brush and completely coat the front perimeter of the stocking cap so it's a seamless blend between the scalp or the fake scalp and my actual face. Next, we're gonna get into this wig. But first, I want to tell you about this amazing wig head I have from a company called Lead Hair on Amazon. They have amazing colors in their wig heads, and each wig head actually comes with a wig stand, T-pins, curved needles, thread, and a stocking cap. I bought the pink because that's like my favorite color, but they also have blue, green, and so many other colors. Go check them out, guys. So for the wig, I already customized it by plucking the perimeter and bleaching the knots, but I like to go a step further and applying some of the same foundation I applied to my stocking cap on the inside of the wig so that it'll blend even more flawlessly with my skin tone. So next, I just pull the wig on, making sure everything is nice and even, like the ear flaps, they're like even on both sides. Just adjusting it to where I like it on my head, not too much down on my forehead, so I look like my eyebrows are growing into my scalp. No, that's not a look. Then I just like to brush the hair back to move everything out of my way so I can focus on securing the front of the wig. So as you can see, I already have my baby hairs cut and everything, and I just like to make sure they're brushed forward. Then I like to take some mousse and coat everything with it, like the edges and the back of the hair as well, so that the body, like the body part of the hair, will stay down and the edges will stay forward. Then I go in with my edge brush and my Got To Be glued spray and style my edges. After my edges are styled to my liking, to keep the edges in place as well as to get the lace to stay down on my head, I go over it by spraying some more of the Got To Be sprayed all over the front hairline of my head. Then I tie it down with a wrap strip. Now you can leave this on and just chill around the house and let it dry naturally, but if you're in a hurry, you just go ahead with your blow dryer and go over it so that things will move along a bit faster. And I like to remove my styling strip before it's completely dried, just so the styling strip does not basically become attached to my head. So you take it off when you feel it started getting sticky, and then you go over it once again with the blow dryer to completely dry things up. And you're practically done. Take your hair out, style it however you want, and that's the look. This is my way of securing my wigs and having that baby look like nothing but scalp honey, okay? And this style basically lasts me for about anywhere between 2 days to a week, depending on how much I sweat or anything. But it's quick, easy, simple, and it is not harsh on your edges at all. So now we're just gonna brush that thing out, fix it, style it, swoop it, and be cute, honey. Yes, because she's slaying. She was born that way. What did you think? What did you think? Yeah, she cute or whatever. Yeah, girl, whip that hair back and forth.
that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much